Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. In today's video, we're going to talk about this incredible, unbelievable run, guys, on Ethereum and Bitcoin. I mean, it's just unbelievable. We're setting records here. I mean, we got 10 in a row daily candles. Now, we do have to be cautious because of that. But golly, dang, guys, this is looking so bullish. Okay. There's good news coming out. And guys, if you guys watch my earlier video, I talked about this bouncing right here. Look at this. I talked about this bounce. From this bounce, and I said, hey guys, we got the bounce. I made the video for you guys. I got it out there to you. We talked about it yesterday too, pulling back. That's almost 11%. In yesterday's video, I talked about maybe getting a pullback to this area, 38,400 area. We got the pullback. Then I made a video earlier today and I talked about how we got the bounce and we're looking for more upside, right? And everything's looking bullish. We don't close our position unless we get a daily close under this trend line, right? This is trend is your friend. I made that video, trend is your friend, right? Well, we just pretty much danced around it. And until we get the daily close, I mean, I wouldn't close my position until we get that daily close. Now, there is some good news out there too. We all know about the Ethereum transition. And we also know that Germany is going to be letting institutions buy on Monday Bitcoin. So that should be interesting. Okay. So let's look at the Ethereum chart as well. And then we're going to go back to the Bitcoin chart. But Ethereum, guys, we traded this perfect. I mean, look at this, level by level. Bottom here, middle, got the bounce here, got the bounce here. Then I made a video earlier, and I talked about this bounce, which I was at 23.24, which we ended up getting the bounce perfectly off of the point of control. Remember, I did the point of control the other day where I drew it across, and we got the bounce perfect. Guys, if you watch my videos, you would have nailed this thing right here. Okay, we talked about taking some profits, then getting back in. Boom. We talked about, hey, this is too strong of a move. A 4-hour candle close means nothing. We're looking for a daily candle close under here, and that's when we would look to maybe get out of our position and close out if we get a daily under here. That didn't happen. The daily closed. Now we're looking at the W pattern with a target at 3,100. That's still very well in play. Now, I do want to go back to the Bitcoin chart and the hesitation. I think why we're not just breaking to the upside, because this is a bearish pattern, this has more potential to go to the downside than the upside. But like I said, we're in this W. We should break up, right? We should just be ripping out of this pattern. Now, one of the things I want to talk about, well, there's the ribbons, but right here, the bump and run. We've been talking about this bump and run for a long time. Okay? I've been telling you guys, we come out of this bump and run, and I think we come out of here, retest this, hold this line, maybe get a little movement down in here, and then go. But I believe we're going to break all-time highs up here once we get this bump and run. Now, would I like to see it go farther down the pattern? Yeah, that would have been more bullish if we come down and flirt around and go and then break. I don't know if that's going to happen with all the bullishness. Now, we do know in the past, though, anytime we see a bunch of bulls coming out for the party, that's when they like to put the trap in. Okay, that's when the bears like to come in and start shorting because they like to get everybody hyped up, and then the trap comes in. Then we'll start seeing some negative news, and the institutions will pay off some big wigs to put some negative news out there. But I don't know if the pump's over yet. Until they break our trend, there's no reason to get out, right? Now, here's the interesting thing. I have this right here, and I drew this line up twice, which is just mind-boggling. You can see I got my one touch, my two touch. I got the perfect angle, okay, from that. I mean, perfect. Now, if we break here, this would be around $43,000, right? Now, we do have the 200-day moving average lurking around 44,700 area, okay? So we do have to pay attention to that. But we broke through, we closed about above the 100, which is bullish. Okay, but we do got to watch out for this 200 next. Okay, but yeah, around 43 $100,000 would be the tick to break out of this, right? But now on this chart, I drew this up a couple times. On this chart, same thing. The only difference is it's on Coinbase too. I don't know. I did the same angle, which is right around. Well, it's close, 42,800. So anywhere around that area, I would be looking more of the 43 area. But we got to watch this because we do have a little bit of resistance right here. So we do got to watch that. But yeah, let's see if we can break out of this bump and run and go, guys, and come back and retest it. That would be the most bullish scenario. Okay. Or we could get rejected, come back lower around this area. Because, guys, I mean, you get record-setting candles in a row like this, there has to be a pullback at some point. What, are we just going to keep greening all the way up? I mean, it could. It's Bitcoin. Anything can happen. No one knows the future. We're all just trying to guess here. But, I mean, same thing with Ethereum. That's why you see a little bit of caution. Usually on a pattern like this, if you saw it staggering around, you know, red, green, a couple greens, a red, couple green, then you just saw the volume come in. Usually this would just start ripping. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, you $300-$400. And that can happen tonight. That can happen tomorrow. But I think there's a little bit of hesitation because of all the dailies that came in a row green. I mean, it's incredible. But if you look at the daily chart, do I have any indicators? I know I have some indicators. And then you look at the ribbons. We talked about this too, guys. On the weekly above the 21. So if we close, it's moving up a little bit above, let's say 39,800 on Sunday. I mean, this could go up, so we'll keep an eye on this. I'll keep you guys posted tomorrow and Sunday for updates. But we close above this, and yeah, we're probably going to break through the bump and run and just, I mean, we're going to go. It's looking bullish. What can I say? Trend is your friend. Until this trend breaks down, you ride this thing until the wheels fall off or we break up, right? We break to the upside. Oh, I don't know. I was on accident. But yeah, so everything's looking good, guys. Yeah. I mean, is there anything else that I'm missing? No, I don't think so. Everything's looking good. And that's it. So, guys, listen. Make sure you guys sub. If you guys would have hit the bell, hit the all, you guys wouldn't have, you would have, listen, look at all these moves. Look at this. On Bitcoin, boom, bottom. Okay, boom, retest, boom, retest, boom, retest, boom again, retest. I mean, guys, and then we got our area of look where we're fighting. I mean, we've nailed every single one of these. I mean, look at this, guys. Jesus. To the T. Look at that. So we're just, and look at this. Boom, circled. We're just nailing everything on this chart. I'm taking you step by step through every single move. I did that on the downside. If you guys would have watched all my videos, I mean, I've had this channel for 5 or 6 weeks, and it's been nothing but downhill. And we were just making trade after trade. Look at these trades. We're making trade after trade, killing it. You know, and I'm not asking for any kind of I'm not putting anything in the description asking for money. All I'm asking for you guys, just sub to my YouTube channel. Show me love. I'm out here just doing this to show you guys love and to love the community. And that's all I'm trying to do here, guys. So make sure you guys sub, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. But, you know, hey, let's keep this thing rolling, guys. You know, until the pattern, until the trend breaks down, trend is our friend, okay? So listen, much love to you guys. And we'll end this video now and peace out.